Good morning, namaste, pranam to all brothers and sisters. सभी लोगों को मेरे प्रणाम. How is your husband? Is very important. In the marriage is a union of two souls to the exclusion of rest of the world. Or marriage is lasting union between male and female, governed by mutual contracts open or sacred, lawful or unlawful, legal or otherwise, of a union is a secondary importance from the astrology point of view. One is the fortunate if the marriage or union is completely successful. Otherwise, life becomes hell. So, it is of a paramount importance that one should know about his or her partner. Husband or the person with whom you have any open or secret alliance. Much has been detailed in old astrological texts. Marriage is to be judged from seventh house from Lagna, moon and sun signs. Our ancient rishis have called it Sudarsana Chakra. Mars rules sex life of a female. So, the strength and position of Mars is also be considered. Second house in the horoscope rules the family. Bhartavyam agilam vittam vani chachadashanam vidyaja vividaveda sarvam jindhaniyam dirijaha. Seventh house vivaha madana loga bharyavarta samagamo shayye satte suge. The Mars rules sex life in female horoscope. Venus stands and male's horoscopes are in one and same sign. Woman in whose horoscope her radial Mars is affected by malefic Saturn, she will be attracted towards a man. Situation in the same sign or near the aspects or conjunction is stronger the attraction will be. Woman in whose horoscope radical Mars is afflicted by Rahu of males or situated in the same sign or aspects Mars. The woman will be drawn towards the man. On the other hand, when men are attracted towards female have their radical Venus afflicted by Saturn or Rahu of female horoscope. Venus in males and Mars in female horoscope are afflicted by Saturn at birth and also males Saturn aspects. So Mars and female Saturn aspects males Venus. The contact between them is sure. Rahu is similar condition results into similar effects. Venus in 12th house in female and Mars in 12th house in female horoscope indicates many love affairs. The person in whose horoscope Saturn or Rahu has affection over 7th house at birth may be changed from one person to another in love or opposite. The moon and Mercury in ascendant, the husband will be skilled in arts and crafts. If the seventh house is an even sign and is occupied or aspected by benefics, the husband of the native will be gentleman and respected by the ruling authorities. Conjunction of seventh lord Mars and Rahu in the sign with Venus or their aspects indicates that your husband will be from intercaste. Second house rules remains. So second house from Lagna, Sun, Moon or Mars in female horoscope indicates the status of your husband, position and qualities of her relations. When second house from the above and their lords are afflicted, and if the seventh house from Lagna, Moon, Sun, or Mars are also afflicted, if the second house and seventh house make any link by situation of their lords in the houses or conjunction of their lords or by mutual aspects of their lords, and the husband will be from some different caste or religion, etc. Ninth and fifth house rules religion and custom. Jupiter rules over them as Karga planet. When the house, their lords, and planets Jupiter are afflicted by malefics, particularly by Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu, and when the lords of the house and Jupiter are posted in this house owned by malefic planets, one will not be hesitant to change the religion, custom, etc. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it.